Tree Safe, Colfax High grad on a fuel reduction project, bringing us a few logs. Like the probably 6 foot, probably maybe 2 foot diameter, 4 logs in there, deodar cedar. Coming in. 1. 2, 3, 4. Beautiful.
Woo! Yeah, you're good.
Perfect. Wood for the winner. Here's the cool part of the log. So there's an old limb sticking out there that's got pruned off. Probably low down on the tree to get his mow under it, and it's starting to collar, so that collar's growing over to seal it out. And then here's a limb that got cut off too, right? And this thing is collared completely and sealed itself completely up like a scab. Right, I guess there are 3 options. Option 1 is you cut a limb off and it doesn't seal at all. There's very little collaring. It might collar over time. 2 is it's in the process of collaring like that. And then 3 is later in time it is collared completely and sealed itself off. If there's bark over that, you'd see what that, you wouldn't even really see it, it'd just be a bump. Take a look inside the tree. So that's the limb that got pruned off and is completely sealed up, healing itself. That's cool. That's super cool. Good job. Theodora cedar out on the mill. Take a look at that block of wood. Oh, it's gorgeous, huh? Beautiful. Love it. Look at this over here. This is super cool. There's a beautiful slab, but it has an enclosed knot where it's going to be completely collared. I love that. That is the coolest thing ever. Healing itself. Beautiful, Sammy. Let's go in the shop, see what we got going on here. Making a jig for a snowboard. Got a cutting board going. Glue ups. What do you got going here? Making a bed of a truck. What year truck? 64 Chevy. Hand milled lumber. Machine down, surface all sides. Gonna use the dado to cut some grooves. Beautiful. Sold on our online store, treetransformation.com. Cutting boards, coasters, Tahoe map. Here's our webpage. You could get here with treetransformation.com. It's partly funded by EdCore, which is Harbor Freight Tools for Schools. This thing is great, really very helpful. Here are our products right here. There's a good sign, our funny sign, measure twice, cut once. You get that, $10. All you have to do is just click on add to cart, and then it'll go to your cart. Go back. Next product are these Tahoe maps made out of hand-milled lumber. Benches, $60, also from Salvage Lumber We Mill. Welcome signs. Coasters, make a lot of coasters. When breadboards go wrong, they turn into coasters. Jewelry, this is probably hand milled lumber that we plane down really thin and then laser cut. Cutting boards is a mix of both bought wood and milled lumber. You could just buy lumber here if you want. Fly fishing nets, these are cool, and wooden pens. So there's our web store. So far, we've had 59 orders processed, 69 products sold. Large proceed from our store goes to the National Forest Foundation and also funding our shop. So that's kind of the whole process. Fuel reduction waste comes in here. We mill it into lumber, store that lumber, machine it into usable wood, build wood products with it, and then sell it on our store, treetransformation.com.